Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Lesson Steven M. I'm Steven.
And I'm Lysis, and today is Independence Day.
Woohoo!
And happy 4th of July to everyone. And we're going to be celebrating it by making our own homemade pizza. Let's begin.
Our ingredients for our pizza dough are 6 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar,
1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 3 teaspoons of yeast, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2.5 cups of warm water.
First, we add the warm water inside the bowl. Then, we add the sugar. Then, we add the yeast.
Now, we wait for the yeast to work until it bubbles up. In a separate bowl, with the flour, we pour in the salt. And then we whisk it. Now that the yeast has done its job, we can add the oil now. Steven, could you help me add the flour?
Sure.
Add little and little.
Okay.
So now I'm going to start mixing it until it gets thicker and thicker. And then we're going to put the dough on the counter. Steven, hold 1 second. Looks like the dough's getting ready.
Okay.
Looks like the dough is ready. It's a little bit sticky, but now we're going to work with it on the counter. So now I'm going to add some flour. Now that the dough is ready and not sticky anymore, as you can see, it's a little bit sticky, but that means it's ready. So now we're gonna put it in a nice round shape. We're gonna put it into the bowl, a large bowl, which we sprayed oil all around it, and now we're gonna cover it with a wrap for 1 to 2 hours until it doubles its size.
Can I put it in the bowl, Lysis?
Sure.
Two hours later.
Now it's been 2 hours. Time to check on our dough. Ready?
Yeah. Wow! So big.
It turned out really good.
It's like 3 times double its size.
Okay, now it's time to move on to our next step. So we're gonna take this out, and then we're gonna cut it into portions. Now we're going to be using rectangular trays because we don't have any circular trays. So now we're going to start making the shape of the pizza. So we're going to be pressing our fingers this way, and this way, and we're going to slowly extend it, making the pizza longer. Right now we're adding garlic and olive oil sauce. You can smell it right now. It's gonna be delicious. We're adding it around the crust. We're almost done. That's gonna give it some flavor. We're adding it in the inside of the pizza, not around the crust area.
Yep.
We're spreading it around the area. Now it looks like that's enough. So now we're adding the mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle it around everywhere to make it even. And then after that, we're gonna put in the toppings, and then we're gonna put the more cheese on top of that.
For toppings, I like to put on my pizza pepperoni and ham.
Our second pizza is also gonna have garlic crust, and this pizza is gonna be a little bit different than the other pizzas. Oh, now we're pretty much.
It's done.
So this is the special part, putting in chunks of the mozzarella cheese.
Yeah, that one was shredded, but this one's big chunks.
This is the special part. We're gonna cook the pizza for 12 to 15 minutes in 500 degrees. So make sure your oven is really hot.
Ooh, yummy. Good. I think it just tastes like regular pizza. I'm gonna drink my milk with it.